right, guys, quick boost for today. Make sure you get that workout for today. Did it out here at Terry Hershey Park. Beautiful day. And the reason why I'm out here is actually because I have this ring light to provide brightness so that you can see what I'm doing, right? Today the light didn't work. I was on the verge of frustration, and my wonderful wife said, you know what did you share with them yesterday? And that was the topic of patience. So immediately I calmed down. It was an opportunity to be patient. And then she went on to say, why don't you just talk about adversity? You're still gonna do it, right? And I said, absolutely. And then she came up with this awesome idea to do it at the park. I said, that's perfect. And that's why today's home workout is nothing can stop us. Along this handbook, even when you're finished with this program, this course, you're gonna have opportunities to where you go to the gym and you don't have your workout shoes. You forget your music, or of course, the common one, you don't feel like doing it. You had a bad day. And along your fitness journey, one of the things that you're gonna notice, if you haven't already, is that there's always gonna be things in the way. You want to, like this morning, I wanted to do it, but then at the house, but then something came up. And so I could have used that as an excuse, or I could have found a way. And I decided to find a way, and I want to share that with you. So adversity, we're on week 3, day 2. You're doing great. Probably already had opportunities to give up, but here you are. So keep going. Great job today if you've already done the workout. If you have not, please do not miss it. It's a good one. Had a great time. I'll see you guys tomorrow.